Meter and I'm the CEO of Passroom. As you might know, Passroom is an innovative e-learning platform powered by Solana NFTs, and today we will review our products. So here is our main page of the platform, where you can see our header includes categories, my courses, sell your course, cart, likes, and wallet. After that you can see the new to Passroom discount and what to learn next, which is based on your personal preferences, which is helped by our AI. Next, after that, you guys can see how to connect your wallet, which will help our newcomers to crypto to connect their wallet and begin their journey. After that are the top categories, earn with us and become an instructor, and popular articles, where you can read the most popular articles of our blog. As you guys can see, the main page is very user-friendly, very sleek, and here is the course page. So here you have the course, what it includes, what you learn, description and requirements. After that you can see the price of the course, the description, the reviews, how much students, the duration of the course, and the price fluctuations in Solana. Of course, for now we have the platform on Solana, but in the future we will integrate other cryptocurrencies as well as our native tokens. So to buy a course, you need to connect your wallet. Our platform detects automatically that we use Phantom Wallet. We connect, we approve, and we are signed. We don't need any emails, we don't need any password. Everything is done manually and through your wallet. After that we click buy, we accept the transaction, and everything happens on chain, and boom, we have unlocked the access to the instruction to Adobe and Illustrator and Photoshop course. So after that we click access now, the platform reviews if we have the access in our wallet. After that we can get access to the course. As you guys can see, this is a video course. Here is the layout of the course page. You have the introduction. So to access the course, you actually will need to have the Access NFT in your wallet. As you guys can see, we have it in our wallet, and we can access the course. Here up in our header you also have the My Courses button, where you click it, you access all the courses that you have unlocked. As you guys can see, we are on the Adobe Photoshop. We can scroll through. Here you can see the different units, the course progress, the unit progress. These are important bars because they will be rewarding with Learn token after finishing them. So we scroll through all the different units. As you guys can see, the video, the description of them. On our platform you'll be able to access video courses as well as PDFs, ebooks, presentations, podcasts, and many more. So we go to the final unit, which is export graphic, and I want to show you how the functionality of our platform works. So after we finish the course, as you guys can see here, currently we're watching the course content. After it's finished, I'll show you how easy it is to resell the course after, which helps you turn educational content into an asset instead of a liability. As you guys can see, we finish the course, we click finish, and the platform will reward us with Learn tokens. At the beginning, Learn token will not have a liquidity pool, but will be swappable for Knowledge token, which will have a liquidity pool, and in the near future, we will introduce a liquidity pool for Learn 2. After this, as you guys can see, listing a course for sale is extremely easy. You just come here, you just write the price, approve the transaction, the duration of the listing, and you're done. Transaction is approved on chain, and your access ticket is now listed. You have listed the access to the course on the secondary marketplace. Extremely easy, extremely user friendly. You will not need any crypto and NFT knowledge to do that, and that's why it's so great about our platform, because we will introduce a lot of newcomers to crypto and we will show them how easy it is actually. So I want to show you the process of becoming an instructor. First of all, you have to fill out the form, make an appointment for verification with one of our employees, and then you can become an authorized instructor on our platform. So after you fill out the form, You send out the form, you make an appointment with our team. We'll have in-house team which will take care of every single course creator, because we want to filter only good content on our platform. So yeah, that's the process. You book your appointment and you can access your dashboard. At the beginning, before being accepted, of course the dashboard will be locked and you cannot do anything. But after being reviewed, you have access to the dashboard and to all the tools at your disposal. As you guys can see, here is a course creator that has access. Here you can see the total revenue that you have earned on the platform, the total royalties that you have earned on the platform from secondary sales, the students rating, and total students that have enrolled in your courses. Here you can see more details about the course, how much you have earned this month, totally how much you have earned, the rating of the course, and the total students that have attended. An interesting add to our platform is that unanswered discussions that you can see on the right. This is that we allow our content consumers to have close access to our content creators, and this is another great utility. So as you can see on our platform, you can list video courses, written courses, webinars, email courses, one-on-one trainings, ebooks, and more. Here I'll show you how to list just a simple video course. After we fill out all the details like title, subtitle, and description, we will be led to this page where we have to customize the access to our course. So if you don't know, guys, all the accesses to every course on the platform will be sold in a form of floppy disk, but the floppy disks are easily customizable for any creator. So you can come, switch the colors, input your own background, input your own sticker designs and body design and logo design, and personalize your NFT to look and fit your brand. This is extremely easy, extremely simple, and can be done in literally like 5 minutes. So that's one of our main benefits. You don't need any crypto and NFT knowledge to create and list your own NFT collections in minutes. After this, you have to upload the content for the course, of course. You have to input a title, you have to input the featured image or a thumbnail, and then you have to input the content. It can be either written text, it can be a video, a file, even a chart. We give a lot of options to our content creators to upload the content that they want. So as you can see here, we can upload our video to the first lesson. Platform is processing at the next lesson, or I'm done. After you click I'm done, you'll be headed to this page where you can input the price of the course, how many NFT tickets do you want to list, and the royalties desired percentage. So you can make like open from 1 to 100,000 access tickets, and the royalties can be from 0% to 50% depending on the creator. Here you'll be asked to confirm, you approve, the transaction is sent on chain again, you have to pay a small gas fee of course to Solana for using the network, and voila, your course is now listed. It's literally that simple and that easy, and takes zero NFT knowledge. As you guys can see, after listing the course, it will appear on our platform, on our dashboard, so where you can see the new course, how to design awesome comics, the thumbnail, how much you have earned this month, and since the course is new, basically we have not earned anything yet. So that's the very simple product demo of our platform. I really hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you next time with an interactive one after mint. Peace.